Okay, I'm just going to do a couple problems for you so that you have a reference in case you don't remember how to do something. So I'm going to start with this question, and you have to read the question to make sure that you know what is being asked, and you can active read it. So you're going to calculate the number of moles in 2.34 times 10 to the 24 atoms of calcium. Okay, so you have moles and you have atoms. That immediately should tell you that you are going to use the conversion 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. And the reason why is because atoms are representative particles. So you're going to start by 2.34 times 10 to the 24. That is your given. All right. And draw your table. Remember that whatever is in the first section will be in the bottom of the second section. And it's calcium. I did not write that. And we are going to convert from atoms to moles. So we know there's going to be 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms equal to 1 mole of calcium. And then it's just a matter of calculating, and type it into the calculator, parentheses 2.34 times 10 caret 24, end of parentheses, divided by parentheses 6.02 times 10 caret 23, end of parentheses, equals. When you calculate that, you should come up with something like 0.389 moles. 3.89, sorry. And the reason why it's 3.89 is because there were 3 significant figures given at the beginning. So we cancel our atoms and we ended up with moles, and that is our answer. Now, another type of question you may encounter is just a simple question asking you to find the molar mass, and you have to do that a lot in many of these problems. So let's calculate the molar mass of this iron phosphate. So iron 3 times 55.845. So 55.9. And phosphate, there are 2 of them because this is the distributive property. So phosphorus is 30.97, which means it's 31.0 rounded. Oxygen, there are 8 of them, and then 8 times 16. And that will give you, when you add them together, the molar mass of Fe3PO42. Okay, so when you multiply that out, 55.9 times 3 is equal to 167.4. 31 times 2 is obviously 62. And oxygen, 8 times 16 is 128. So your molar mass for Fe3PO42 is 357.4 grams.